Hey Stephanie, this is Logan here at Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you for inquiring on that 2008 Ford Escape. As you can see, I do have that vehicle available. Now with that online special we've got going right now for the end of the month, today is the last day. This thing's not going to last through the end of the day today, so give me a call. Let's get you in to take a look at it. Take a look at the inside here with me. You've got the signature Ford keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power driver's seat. This is a great little vehicle. It's only got 126,000 miles on it for a 2008. It's super low. Give me a call again, 205-380-6250. It's the last day of the month. We're making deals. One of them needs to be used, so give me a call, 205-380-6250. Thanks.